I need to take off my shoes and I need to ground myself in nature and tree bathe. So just sitting somewhere or gardening, a whole lot of gardening, getting my fingers into the dirt and feeling the dirt under my nails and under my feet and feeling part of the earth and the trees. And sometimes I just sit and I listen and I hear the trees and their wisdom and I breathe. I live in a home and I have huge trees in my front yard. I see them as like wisdom and history and life-giving. And so immediately on the return to home, I make recognition to them. But for me, gardening and being part of nature and tree bathing, it's my relaxation. It's my time to decompress and sort out ideas.